Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the output folder in Adobe Premiere Pro. The problem is when you save something, either it saves in my documents in Adobe Premiere Pro folder, or it might save in the folder where you have created a custom sequence, or it might also save in the last project which you were working but you're not working anymore. You might find the video in that folder. So I'm going to show you how to change that. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro 2019 and 2020 has been released now, and I'm pretty sure the function is the same in 2020 as well. So to change it, when you go and export the file, you will see the output, which is actually a different one, 3D scanner tutorial on Note 10, but I'm actually editing a PixArt tutorial. So to change it, just click on this final sequence MP4 and you will get the output folder for this video. For example, if I select the one which I'm working in, PixArt tutorial, and click open and click save, you will see that it is saving in D blah PixArt tutorial final sequence.mp4. You can also change the name of the video by clicking on the same button and changing the name final sequence to something here. So yep, that's how you change, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it helped. And yep, thank you.